Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage date and time settings on ASUS VivoBook. To do this, we'll need to click on the start, move to the settings. Right here, enter time and a language, go for date and time, and here we'll be able to customize our settings. We can activate or deactivate set time automatically. When it's off, we'll be able to change the time and the date manually by clicking on change right here. Then we have adjust for daylight saving time automatically that you can activate or deactivate. You can also switch your time zone right here. And if the time doesn't synchronize, you can click on now right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.